Hello coin collectors out there, welcome back to the Big D Coins channel. What do I have here in this pile of coins? I have 1964 Roosevelt dimes, and I've got 1946 Roosevelt dime. Now the key dates of 1964 and 1946 are important because this is the first year and the last year that the silver Roosevelt dime was made. And that's what we'll get into in today's video. We are going to talk about the value of these silver dimes. Now, the silver dimes are very nice and very important and very cool to come across because of the bullion value of silver. The bullion value of silver will make the actual dime worth more than the face value of the coin, even if it's in a very well circulated condition like this. So today's coin collecting tip, we'll start with that, is to understand the bullion prices of a few different metals. Now, the very key metal, if you're coin collecting to understand, is silver. So silver has a current bullion price of $17.75 an ounce. That means that's what you could currently buy it for. That's the spot value of it. If you were to buy a 1 ounce silver coin from a coin shop, they'd likely charge you $5 above the spot value. Or if you buy like a silver bar, they'll charge you $3 above spot value. Now, the other spot values that are kind of relevant in the coin collecting are gold, which currently has a spot value of $1,257 an ounce, platinum at $847, and palladium at $957 an ounce. Now, platinum and palladium, not really as important for coins, but it is kind of cool to know and kind of interesting to know. So let's get into the value of these coins right here. So we're going to talk about circulated and uncirculated, and all of the prices that I'm going to share are going to be the sell price. The sell price is what you can sell it to a coin shop for, not necessarily what you're going to have to pay to buy it. When you pay to buy a coin, you're going to have to pay a premium for it because the coin dealer has to make a little bit of a markup, a little bit of money in the process. So we're going to talk about the sell prices. Now, for circulated coins, like the coins you see right here, right in front of you, the ones that are a little bit in worn out condition, starting in 1952 and after, so 1952, Denver Mint, all the way up until the 1964 Denver Mint, those coins in circulated condition are only going to sell for bullion value. Now, the current bullion value for a Roosevelt dime is $1.16. So how that is calculated is by the fact that the coins are 90% silver. You multiply that by you do some division to get from 90% silver, 2.5 grams, and you factor in the $17.75 an ounce, and that gets you all the way to $1.15 each. So from 1952 Denver Mint all the way up until the 1964 San Francisco Mint, those are going to sell for, you're going to be able to sell those for $1.15. Unfortunately, from 1946 to 1952, Philadelphia Mint, those ones aren't going to sell for a tremendous amount more if they are in circulated condition. So the most valuable in that series will be the 1949S as well as the 1950S. The 1949 will sell for $2.60. The 1950S will sell for $2.40 in circulated condition. Now, when we move over on the chart to the uncirculated coins, the prices will drastically increase. Well, not drastically, 2 or 3 times the prices that we're talking about for the circulated coins. Now, an uncirculated Roosevelt dime that is silver will sell for more than bullion value because you're kind of bringing in two different groups of collectors there. You're bringing in coin collectors who like the fact that it's uncirculated. You're also bringing in the people who collect silver and stack silver because they'll want kind of nice coins as well. And they want nice ones that have silver in them. So the highest sell price of an uncirculated Roosevelt dime is going to be 1949S. It's going to sell for $16, and a 1950S for $19. Now, this isn't taking into consideration the really high graded mid-state coins. This is just looking at the uncirculated coins in a rare condition. So ones in raw condition, so ones that that have not been graded by a coin grading agency. So we're talking $16 for the 1949S and $19 for the 1950S. Now a complete uncirculated set will sell for $230. That is a complete 47 coin set that's going to have every date and every mint mark in it. A complete set with just the dates will sell for $75 in uncirculated condition. So that's going to be a 19 coin set. Now, these were produced at the Denver, the Philadelphia, and the San Francisco Mint, but they didn't produce them at the San Francisco Mint every single year. So that's why a complete date set has 19, a complete date and mint set only has 47. Now for the circulated coins, a complete date and mint set will sell for $70. A complete date set will sell for $27. So if you do have the time, if you start to kind of come across a lot of these from your coin collecting and from your coin roll hunting, consider selling a complete set. You'll sell them for $27. Considering the face value of these coins is only going to be $1.90, you're really making a good return on your investment there. The hard part will just be coming across some of the more rare ones, like that 1949 S and the 1950S. I can also give you the mintages for those 2 years so we can kind of see why they are so rare. So at the 1949 S, there were only 13 million made. 1950 S, there were 20 million made. That's compared to the first year they came out, in which there are 255 million made at the Philadelphia, 61 million made at the Denver, 27 million made at the San Francisco. And the last year of production, kind of explaining why I have so many 1964 coins, there were over 1 billion of them made at the Denver Mint. There was 1,357,517,000 of them produced at the Denver Mint. There were also 929 million made at the Philadelphia Mint. So the 1964 coins, there's millions and billions of them out there. Unfortunately, they are a hot item for coin collectors and coin roll hunters. So if you do see any silver 1964 or earlier Roosevelt times, definitely pull them out of circulation. Hang on to them, try and build some sets of them, try and get all of them that you can. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found it a little informative. Sorry if it might be disappointing that a lot of the circulated Roosevelt dimes that are silver are only going to sell for bullion price, and the circulated ones that are from the rare years are only going to sell for, $2 or $3. But I thought that you should know that information. All right, everyone, thanks for watching this video. If you're into coin collecting, please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. If you've got ideas about topics that you would like me to make videos about, feel free to let me know. Thank you very much, everyone, and best of luck coin collecting out there. Enjoy.